Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 8th class Physical Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about increasing and decreasing friction. Okay? Increasing and decreasing friction. Increasing and decreasing the friction. The force of friction, it will cause for many advantages and also it will cause for disadvantages. Okay, for example, we conduct a small activity. Now we take a stainless steel spoon. Okay, look at this is stainless steel spoon. Okay, one end, that is the head of spoon is hold it in your left hand, and the tail part of spoon is hold in left hand. Okay, students, the head of spoon is hold it in our left hand, the tail part of spoon is hold in right hand. Okay, now just to fill the spoon, stainless spoon of the tail part with our right hand. How we can feel it? After this right hand is dipped in water, after to fill the tail part of the spoon, how can you feel? Okay, students, how can you feel that in the first case and the second case? Without water, with water. Okay, we can feel that hot in case of a without water, but in case of you can feel that easy to move, easy to fill when with water. Like what is the reason? Because here water it acts as a lubricant. Okay, ma? Water it can act as lubricant. That's why it can easy to fill the tail part of the spoon. Okay, what is the reason? Because of water is act as a lubricant. In first case, absence of the water, we can feel it hot. Why? Because of much more friction force is offering. So next one is when walking on the road when we wear the chapels. Okay, we have to experience of have to ever seen that the bottom of the sole of your shoes, like our chapels. We can see that a number of grooves, okay, number of grooves they are located, they are present at the bottom of the sole of your shoe. Why? What is the reason? Because of your grooves they are created at the bottom of a sole of shoes. What is the reason? What is the advantage of these grooves? Okay, grooves means కింద షూ యొక్క సోల్ ఆఫ్ ద షూ కింది భాగంలో మనకు గోడలు ఉంటాయి. ఆ గోడలు ఏమంటారంటే గ్రూవ్స్ అని అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ టు మేక్ ద గ్రూవ్స్ ఎట్ ద బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ the sole of a shoe? Why? Because of these grooves are they are given to the better grip where on walking on the ground. So these grooves they are provided to a better grip while you walk on the road. Okay, similarly, we can notice that this type of a grooves on the surface of the tires. Like in case of bicycle tires, car tires, bus tires, we can see that this is the tread slide stretches. That means grooves they are present on the surface of the tires. Why? Because of these grooves are they are given to the better grip where is it on the road when there are motion on the roads. Okay, students, these grooves are given to better grip to the tires on the road. So that's why this friction is very necessity when we are to walking on the road, we are running on the road, or the vehicles are to run on the road. It will cause for to that frictional force. When you can apply the brakes on the motion of a car, after certain time interval, this vehicle it will come to that stop. It will come to the rest because of a friction force. So this frictional force is that increased by that we make that grooves at the bottom of the sole of your shoes and at the surface of the tires. Okay, is the reason to increase the frictional force. Okay, next one is that decreasing the frictional force. How can you decrease the frictional force? We can use that lubricants. Okay, ma'am. The substance which is used for to reduce the frictional force, the substance is called a lubricants. Lubricants means oils, okay, oils, grease, and so on, etc. They can use it as a lubricants in the machinery parts. Already we know that in case of machines, the machinery parts they are rubbed against to one to each other's, resulting they wear out of machinery parts. Okay, because of due to the overheating. Due to the overheating is produced to the rotation of the machinery parts to rub one to each others. Against to each others, they will cause for to wear out these machinery parts. At a time, we can apply to oils or greases between the two rotatory parts of rotatory machinery parts. Okay, due to apply these oils and greases between the moving machinery parts, this oil or grease it can form a thin layer. Okay, it can form a thin layer between the two machinery parts. This thin layer to reduce the friction force between two machinery parts. Okay, ma? So this machinery parts don't rub against to each other. Why? Because of this thin layer. It can be the protection. These two machinery parts they are not rubbed against one to each other. Okay, so you must and should we can apply these lubricants in a machinery parts. Okay, ma? Okay, next one in the case of greases. Okay, grease, oils, they are used as a lubricants in the machinery parts. తర్వాత next one is how to reducing that to avoid that the interlocking irregularities between two surfaces of objects by applying of lubricants. Okay, to apply the greases and oils to make the smooth run of vehicles, to smooth run of machinery parts. Okay, ma? Okay, when did we can apply this lubricant oils or greases between the machinery parts will cause for these are to move freely and these machinery parts are more smooth, okay, without any creation of a sound. Okay, so these oils and greases they can applicable for you want to reduce the frictional force. Okay, so this is that increasing and decreasing the friction. Okay, next one is best example we play that carrom board. Okay, next, how we can feel it? You playing of carom board, you sprinkle the powder, a fine powder on the carom board without sprinkle the powder on the carom board. Okay, how can you the movement of coins? Okay, and strikers on the carom board with applied fine powder, without applied fine powder. Even this we can feel that. You can feel that these coins are freely moving on the carom board when we can apply the sprinkle a fine powder is sprinkle on the carom board. After we can play this carom board, we can feel that these coins and strikers they can easily to freely move on the carom board. Okay, what is the reason? Because due to sprinkle this powder on the carom board, it will cause for to reduce the frictional force. That's why they are freely to move the coins and striker on the carom board. Next one, in case of a gymnast persons, they can apply a coarse, okay, a coarse material, a coarse substance applied on their hands because of a to better than grip. Okay, gymnast persons and it means to lift heavy weights are they are rub they are sprinkle of a use of a coarse substances rub on their hands. This coarse substance will be given to the better grip on the hands. Okay, so ఈ విధంగా చేస్తారంటే we use that some of materials are used for to increasing the frictional force and some substances are used for to reducing of frictional force. Okay అమ్మా, ఈ విధంగా మనం frictional force ni increase cheychu, decrease cheychu. Okay, it has many advantages and also disadvantages due to the frictional force.